I have a huge group of friends at my school, but my best friend name is Shalom. He has a round face with brown hair and eyes. My best friend is funny and outgoing by nature. He is a gentle and well-mannered boy who is loved by one and all. He is very good at his studies and helps me in my studies too. We sit, study and play together at school. Shalom and I stay in the same locality. His parents and my parents are good friends too. They visit us often during break time. We eat and share our lunch with each other. On my birthday, he gives me wonderful gifts. I also give him nice gifts. On his birthday, I always pray to God to keep us safe and healthy at all times.